you guys, right now it is 7. It's 7. Okay, so it is 7. We're about to go and pick up some food. I'm so excited because this is something that we haven't had in a while and that we love. But it's Cuban food and I'm so excited to show you guys. We're going to just go for a drive, pick up the food. I already called and we ordered. And I'm so excited and hungry. So we're gonna go pick up some food. Hello guys, so she just came to drop it off. We have our food right here. I'm so excited. I'll show you guys what we got, but it's so cool because she actually came, like I just had to text the parking number and like they came and dropped it off for us, so that was really nice.
There you are. A few of them, right?
Thank you.
Cool, thank you.
Enjoy. You want to put it in here?
Yeah.
That's a lot of sauce. Okay. We're gonna go home now and eat our food. This is, should I say, this is the last time that I'm gonna be in your car, probably. Oh
yeah, this is our last ride in this car.
Together.
No, not together.
Yeah, because tomorrow you're gonna be in this car and I'm gonna be in my car.
Oh yeah.
So this is the last time that we don't have to wear a mask, but it helps with the cold sometimes. But this is the last time that I'm gonna be in his car.
Yep, and you met me in this car, right?
That face on right
no,
now.
you didn't meet me in the car. Obviously, she didn't meet me in the car.
I didn't meet him. But this is like when he would drive on our first dates and like all that. So I love this car, I really do. But we're not gonna get emotional because we still have the car until tomorrow. But just, yeah, we'll explain it.
Yep, we'll say our goodbyes.
We
at some
will.
point,
We will say goodbye. Hey guys, so we're back home. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. But okay, this is Caesar's. What is this? Maduros? I don't know. I got a Philly beef stick, which is usually what I get. And like I said earlier, she gave us a lot of sauces. We haven't had this in a long time. Today is Friday and it doesn't feel like Friday to me. This whole day I've just been confused because it doesn't feel like Friday. I feel like this week went by so fast after Thanksgiving that it does not feel like Friday. We've become, I think, even more homebodies because of the pandemic and everything, and now there's going to be another stay-at-home order in the Bay Area that is going to start, I believe it's Sunday night. So that I feel like is going to not really change much. I mean, we usually, obviously before pandemic, we would see our best friends all the time. We would travel. I'm a huge traveler, in case you don't know. Like, you would be watching vlogs right now that are all like, whether it's like in the snow somewhere or something. Like, I was supposed to go to Hawaii this year. But obviously none of those things are happening until things get better, and because we do not feel comfortable at all being in a place like an airplane or something like that. But there is going to be a stay-at-home order here where we are starting Sunday night. So it does make me a little bit sad, but it's gonna be okay. I'm okay with it. I mean, we're just grateful that we are healthy, our family's healthy, so we really have nothing to complain about. But I was reading this that I got distracted because they were explaining, like they were saying thank you for supporting us during these challenging times and stuff. If it was okay if I could share kind of like their business and stuff. So this is Cuban Kitchen. If anybody is in the Bay Area, I highly recommend. If you refer a new guest, apparently they give you 20% off their first order, and also they give you a discount for every new customer that you refer. So super nice. Actually, I will put their Instagram on the screen somewhere. They have really good food, so let me show you. They have really cute little like sticker little flower things that go along with their little brand. This is what Caesar got, so it's the Cuban Kitchen's Ropa Vieja. And then I got a Philly beef steak sandwich with no pickles because I'm not a pickle person. I got, wait, where's my side of plantains? Is it this one? Okay, so this is my little side of plantains. I got 3 little ones, and she gave us a lot of sauce. But definitely check them out. So if you guys watched Vlogmas from yesterday, I did this little DIY kit. I made a whole Vlogmas playlist, so I will link it down below and I'll probably put it somewhere on the screen. So in case you missed Vlogmas day 1, day 2, or day 3, you can definitely catch up on there and make sure to watch all of them. But I wanted to show you guys. Remember how this was supposed to be red, that was supposed to be blue, this was supposed to be green. I mean, this one is technically not that bad. It's green, but I feel like these two are pretty light. This one is kind of like, it looks like pink to me, but it's fine. We're working with it. Okay, so what I want to do now, I haven't smelled them, but this one smells good. Oh yeah, they definitely smell, they have the scent each that I added. So I think this one was the lavender one. It does smell like lavender. I forgot which one was which, but they smell so good. My issue with this though was that I don't know if the little thing stuck at the bottom, but hopefully it did. But I'm gonna take out these little sticks right here and we're gonna try and light one of them up. So hopefully it'll turn out really well. But Caesar's taking a shower in case you hear the shower. I'm just gonna cut these. I don't know how tall, but I'm just gonna cut them. They recommend you use like a little nail clipper, but I think we can just cut them. But I'm gonna try and light this and I'm so excited. Okay. Whew, oh my gosh. So it is lit up. I think it looks so cute. I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to save these right here though, so I'm probably gonna close them. I might have to cut this one a little bit shorter so that I can put the cap on it. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. I'm so excited. I hope nothing blows up. I hope we're good and we're fine, but so far so good. So I'll let you guys know if anything crazy happens, but we're gonna leave it here and light up with the lavender scent. I'm so happy. Before I forget, I do want to open up the calendar. So for today, today's the 4th. Okay, so the 4th is right here. It kind of blends in, so I couldn't really tell. But let's see what we have in here. This is different shape for sure. Ooh, okay. So this is, oh, I can't get it out. Oh, hold on. Help, send help. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is Trader Joe's Cherry Blossom Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. Okay, so this is another hand cream. Yesterday there was a little body butter, if you guys remember, but I'm so excited to try this as well. And I love the packaging. I love this little pink color. I think it's really cute. And it's also like a little portable size as well, which I really like. Okay, so me and Caesar are going to do an unboxing with you guys, and I'm so excited because this was his idea, he got this, and I'm so excited to use it. We're going to use it for tonight, and we're also going to film everything. But I was on TikTok, you guys, and I'm not really often on TikTok, and so I went on it and I was watching you know how there is like saved like drafts like this. I have a lot, as you can tell, that I haven't posted, and there was one of my best friends that I miss so much, and I'm not gonna cry, but I miss them so much. I thought I'd show you guys. I haven't posted these videos, and Hershey has a funnier one that I can show you guys that one too, but these ones I wanted to show you guys. So these, oh, it's focused. Okay, so this is from Caesar's birthday, and I miss my best friend so much. And like me and Caesar, like Caesar misses them more than me sometimes. He's like, I miss Hershey and Francisco. In case you don't know, those are our best friends, literally. And so this one right here, let's watch it together. Oh my gosh, I miss them so much. Haven't watched these in a while. This is Party of 4. I'm so dead. Oh my god, I love them. I miss all my friends. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna become like a sad ball of tears right now. I just miss my best friends and I love them, and I'm so lucky to have them. So this I can't believe I just spent like I don't even know how many minutes, but I just spent this whole time talking about my best friends and how much I miss them. But that's the mood right now. But yeah, Caesar's about to get out of the shower and we're going to show you what we have.
Thought I would buy something for both of us. It's not really a surprise, but I decided I should get it because obviously we're just locked in. Not fully locked in, but I feel like we are
not yet.
Running out of things to do. We are running out of things to do, and I thought something would, it's the holidays approaching, so I thought I would get us a game. Anyways, we got a Switch. It's the, if you want to be technical about it, it's the V2 version, the one, aka the one with more battery life.
So it looks like this.
And obviously, it's the gray and gray Joy-Con, not the blue and red.
Yeah.
And in addition to that, I chose 2 games. One of which both me and Alex really, really will enjoy, I think. This is Super Smash Bros. I played it here. Well, I haven't played it here, but I played it a few times on Nintendo 64. Really, really cool. I decided to get both of these games because we can do, I believe we can do more than 2 players. It says 1 to 8. And for Super Smash and for Mario Kart is 1 to 4. So anyone wishing or hoping to buy it as a gift for anyone, it's 4 players. And since the game console only comes with 2, comes with 2, I bought extra set of Joy-Con. This is what it looks like. And I've never owned a Switch, to be honest.
Me neither.
I haven't had a gaming system since the PS3.
I haven't had a gaming system at all in my life, so.
So this is literally the first gaming system we own, and do you play games on your phone?
No, I have no game apps.
Okay, yeah, I don't play any games.
I used to play Maple Story, if anybody knows about Maple Story, when I was little, and I have a little Game Boy that my brother uses now. That's about it.
Okay, cool, so I'm gonna pull this out first. It seems to be the console. It's
nice.
I don't know how much it weighs, but it's interesting. I have a cousin who has this, but I've never really, got to hold it or whatnot. And here goes the right.
Heavy a little bit.
Oh, right. I'm moving too fast.
Nice.
That's the right Joy-Con. And for those of you who don't know, these should slide.
Yeah.
From top to bottom on both sides. They slide on, so they just become they make the device a little bit bigger at the end. But here's the left one. And then moving on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Taking this layer off.
Ooh.
Yeah, so it comes with this HDMI to HDMI. And here goes the power brick. Okay, that's USB-C. Interesting. I didn't know that. I think it is, yeah. Okay, cool. So then moving along, there's the booklet, right? For right, but whoever reads those. And then I don't know what the name of this is, but normally you can you can slide 2 Joy-Cons in here and you can play it as one controller. That gives you more flexibility, I guess. Yeah. I don't know what the name of that is, but moving along. Here we have, I believe this is the strap.
Little strand? Strap?
Yeah. I think it comes with more. Yep. It's 1 for each. So it's like yeah, that was smooth. But I think that's good for your wrist, and then this gives you, I don't know, this is just left and right, possibly, but we'll find out, right? And then, last but not least, oh, sorry. This would be the dock. The dock, the notorious dock. Okay, so, okay, cool. So, for those of you that don't know, the dock allows you to slide this guy in. And once you do that, you can connect, the HDMI is back there. Do you see it? The HDMI.
Yeah.
And then there's a USB, and that's a power. But what the dock allows you to connect the Switch to your TV, so you can just play on a bigger screen.
Oh, I see. Which is what we're gonna do up there.
Yep.
And we have the little ring light.
So I think we should just hook it up. This one, on the right. Hey, you can also move your remote too. You can move your remote to drive.
Oh, that's so cool.
Sorry, I just really screamed at you. To throw your stuff. I know that's weird to say.
To throw the banana?
Yeah, it's the left clicker. Wait.
I'm first.
How? I was
First
about to beat you. Did you see that?
You're second. Oh my gosh. Can we just appreciate this moment? I don't think I've ever been first in my life. That's so cool. I'm Yoshi. And he's Todd. Toad? Toad.
Todd.
Toad. He's Toad. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 5? Vlogmas Day 5? I think it's Vlogmas Day 5. But tomorrow's
tomorrow's 5.
Tomorrow's the 5th. Today is the 4th. I'm getting lost now. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna end this because I really want to edit it and get it up tomorrow morning. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 5. Bye guys.